Welcome to the Full Audio Books Short Stories channel. The author, Sandy Ingram, holds the print, digital and audio rights.
"What time is it?" Jennifer asked Todd, her fiancé. "It is time for you to tell me where you were over the weekend," Todd responded. "I went to my friend's wedding in San Diego," Jennifer replied. "Why didn't you tell me about the wedding?" Todd asked. "Because I did not want you to go. My family is trying to make me marry Jeffrey," Jennifer flatly replied. She wanted Todd to understand why she did not want him to meet her family. Todd came from a wealthy family. She would introduce the families after they were married. "Perhaps we should just elope and plan a reception dinner," Todd said. Jennifer hugged Todd tightly around the neck. "Thank you, thank you." Todd smiled, a tall, handsome man, educated in the UK. Todd and his family were the major shareholders in a New York real estate development company. Todd was only in Los Angeles to oversee a condominium and office building project. "I'll meet you at the restaurant tonight," Todd yelled as he went out the door. Jennifer got ready for work. After work, Jennifer headed to the restaurant to meet Todd. "Hello, do you have a reservation?" the hostess asked Jennifer. "Yes, the is Todd Thomas," Jennifer replied. "Yes, please follow me," the hostess said. The waiter came to the table and asked, "Can I bring you a cocktail or a glass of wine?" Jennifer replied, "Yes, I will have a glass of white wine." 10 minutes later, Todd walked in. Jennifer could tell he was in a rush. The waiter came to the table to take the couple's order. "Will you be having the special this evening?" the waiter asked Todd. "Yes, we will have the shrimp salad and strawberry shortcake for dessert," Todd replied. "Sure, Mr. Thomas, right away." Jennifer could tell Todd had something on his mind. She waited for him to speak. "Jennifer, you know that I love you, right?" Todd did not wait for an answer. He continued, "My family wants me to marry a girl in New York. I do not want to marry her. That is why I took the assignment here in Los Angeles. The thing is, I have a lot to lose." Tears filled Jennifer's eyes. She believed Todd was breaking up with her. "Why are you crying?" Todd asked. "Because you're going to dump me," Jennifer cried. No, I love you. I just wanted you to know my parents would not be coming to the wedding either. And we might be poor, because my father may cut me out of his will." Jennifer laughed. She loved Todd, with or without money. Part 4 will continue in the next video.
If you enjoy the short stories created for Sandy's YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new audiobooks are uploaded.